What's up, guys? Finally, we made it down here. Finally, you got Frizzable. Where's he at? There's Frizzable. Frizzable gonna show you some boobs. He's gonna show you some of his boobies. Frizzable boobies. I bet you guys ain't seen Frizzable like this. Show him some boob, Frizz.
Stop.
Show him some boob. He's hiding his boobies. He ain't got his bra, I guess.
I'm gonna put my shirt on if you keep making fun of me.
Yo, you look fine. Dude, wait till you see my freaking...
Isn't this a crab? No. Doesn't that mean there's a crab? Huh?
Let me show him my boob.
Stop.
Look, there you go. I got more belly and I got boob. This video has now become a little bit X-rated. I ain't got no shirt on. I got some freaking shorts on. Some freaking water shoes.
Oh, it's cold. Hey, there's another Jeep.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful ocean. Don't pay attention to my nakedness. But look at that. This is what we're gonna be living here, and we're gonna be enjoying every weekend. Nothing but beach and jeeping. Pretty cool, huh? Gulf of Mexico, right here. I need to get a tan up here though. You guys ain't used to seeing me like this. Now that was definitely fun. I'm telling you guys, channel's gonna be a lot different now. Cody's all being paranoid over here. Don't drive in the water, don't do this, don't do that. It's a freaking Jeep. You gotta have fun. I grew up pretty much coming down here. So, I don't know about kids nowadays, guys. I'm telling you. They're just like, they're too scared to have fun. I told them if we get in trouble or something like that, they'll just tell us not to do it or write me a ticket. No big deal. Let's head to Port Aransas. Did a little four-wheeling today. We got the Jeep dirty, as you guys can see right here. You'd never see the 1LE like this, that's for damn sure. So we got the place, we got the electric turned on, water turned on, internet turned on, which is faster than what we just upgraded in Georgia. So it's gonna be great, guys. You can see behind me, this is the jetties in Port Aransas, and you're gonna see a lot of fishing videos from this area right here. Real windy out here today. I'm surprised I had the drone up. Got some of that cool footage for you guys. But now we're gonna get on the ferry and go across town.
I asked him if he's catching anything, he said no.
Well, you didn't walk that far out there.
Yeah, but that's really far, unless you want to drive over there.
How am I gonna drive out there? It ain't big enough.
There. This time, man.
Oh, we could come back out here when we come down here.
Yeah.
But yeah, my boat's sitting over there on that other side, Cody. Right over there. We had to get rescued by the Coast Guard. They had to come over there because the ferry was already shut down. It's pretty cool. Yeah. We're at the in Port Aransas at the jetties. You guys can see the jetty way over there. That's an island that you could take a tugboat or something over there. Comes over there and picks you up, and that's the only way to get on that island. Right over in that area is where my boat, pieces of my boat sticking out of the sand. Once we get moved down here, I'll show you guys my boat over there. As you can see behind me, you can see the jetties, they go way out there. So you guys are gonna see a lot of fishing videos from this area right here.
out right there.
All right, guys, time for a house tour. I'm extremely wore out, got dehydrated today because I didn't drink enough water, drank a lot of Cokes. Just had a rough day. But otherwise, we got the house. We're here, we've been on the beach, shot a lot of good footage with the drone and tested out the GoPros to make sure they were waterproof. But anyway, guys, let me show you the house, the new house we're moving into. Guys, this is the kitchen. All brand new appliances. Well, brand new stove, brand new dishwasher, brand new microwave, brand new refrigerator. But the only thing that's in there is Chick-fil-A right now. And you walk through here you can see the whole kitchen here. Then you walk through here. This is where the bar area is, where we're gonna put a bar with tequila, whatever. Over here is the dining room, pretty big. Got some crown molding at the top. This is the living area right here. It's got a fireplace and bookshelves, stuff like that. You can see the ceiling with crown molding. Kind of low light in here, but I got to replace those lights. I told the lady I was going to do a few things for her, which, you know, she's going to take that off the bill each month. This is one room right here. You can see this. Got tile on the floor. Pretty good sized room. Let me stand over here, maybe you can see the door. So all these rooms are pretty good size. You can see way over there. And this is the bathroom, one bathroom. Got the big jacuzzi tub. Double sinks. I don't know where you turn the lights. So I got to put all these fixtures on right here. But here's the bathroom here, small little bathroom. I don't know where you turn the light on for that. That's how you turn that light on. So it's got a shower, which is all right. And then I don't know where the light is for this big, huge closet here. It's got to be somewhere around here. Walking through one bedroom. Leave that on. And then you walk back here through the hallway. Another good sized bathroom here. A lot bigger in our bathroom at the house, I'll tell you that. Bunch of cabinets, big sink area. This is going to be my daughter's room right here, if she comes down here. So if Amanda, if you're watching this, please come down here. You have a ceiling fan with lights. You have your own pretty good sized closet with a light in it, with carpet, and the rest of it's tiled. I don't know how you turn this stuff off. And here is another room. Right here. Pretty good sized room. Ceiling fan. Another closet, which I like the lighting in here. That's perfect, man. Like that. Alright, so these are really good sized rooms. These aren't small rooms. They're all pretty large. All right, Then we walk out here, walk past the front door. At your ADT security. This is where the washer and dryer is. As you can hear, the dryer is going. Cabinets. And then, one of my favorite parts of the whole house is the garage. One of my favorite parts of the whole house is the garage. My own garage. No ex-wife trying to take over the garage. It needs some painting done on these walls right here, but I'm gonna take care of that and then put up, you know, flags and stuff like that. It's got one thing of shelves over here. It's got a garage door opener, which is sweet. I just pull up, hit the garage door opener switch, and boom. It also has more shelving things that I could put up here. And it's got hurricane stuff to go over the windows if there is a hurricane down here. And some extra paint to paint these walls. And take a look at the Jeep, guys. Actually got it dirty. I actually drove in the water. So I gotta rinse it off tomorrow. It's all dirty. And then look at all this in here. Yeah, buddy, have you ever seen one of my vehicles look like that? Look at all that, man. We actually have water fly up through that window right there and right into the car. So, got to get this cleaned up. Oh, sand just fell right off that thing. Did you see that? Before we leave tomorrow to go back and pack everything. I got the top down, guys. Enjoying it. It's hot. Really, really hot down here. Really hot. Let's turn this stuff off and go back inside. Look how bright that is, man. It's so freaking bright. Alright, appreciate you guys watching this video. We will be moved down here in about 3 or 4 days and everything will be over with, thank God. So, I really appreciate you guys for sticking by me. And I'm telling you, the content is going to get really good once we're moved in here and down here. Alright, see you guys next video. Appreciate it. Peace.